Hello everyone, this is Pio here. Today I would like to introduce you to a new product. So, as you may know, I work out every day and some of you have been curious how I wash my clothes. Most importantly, the gym clothes. So at first, it was really hard for me to go to the basement floor, is where our washing machine and drying machines are located. So I needed to wait like a week to fill my laundry basket. But guess what? Now I found a new product which is called WashWow. It is a portable washing device which comes with a wireless charger. So let's see. First you need a water container. In this case I used a sink, and you fill the water. To open this WashWow, you need to turn it counterclockwise and then you will see the light. You put it into the water. Of course, this has to be initially charged. And this is the pens that I worked on today. So let's leave this for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, the light will turn automatically off, which means he's done, or the WashWow is done. So if you want to buy this product, I recommend this because it kills the germs for 99.98%. And in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, when we go out, the bacteria is really bad. And I am hoping this product might help kill the germs. So please stay safe, everyone. If you want to buy this product, please check out in the caption above. Thank you for watching and hope you have a nice rest of the day. Bye!